Welcome back to the KBCC Garage. And now we find Mark Atwood. Take it away, Mark.
Hey folks, it's me, Mark Atwood. Welcome back to the KBCC Garage. Oh yeah, and my brother Charlie, he's here too. That's right, Mark. How could you forget about your little brother here? I could never forget about you. Mom and Dad would never let me. Well, anyway, what we're actually here to do today is introduce Cliff Kissy Boy Smith so he can show you what he has on the bench. Hey, KB. Yeah. Take it away. Thanks, Mark. Hey, folks. Welcome back to the KBCC Garage. Oh. Hey, Jesse. What do you got to say?
Not really much to say. Just wanted to check it out. I've been waiting for this one to come back into rotation. I was hoping to sneak in a test ride, before Robert gets to it and burns all the tires off of it.
Well, we still got a little bit more work to put into it before it gets to the tire burning stage. Let me help you down from here.
Woohoo!
So, this is the MPC 1972 Pontiac GTO. You may remember I started this back in 2022 during the USAC build, and these wheels are from Iceman Collections. The chassis is from the MPC 69 Oldsmobile. If you wanted to go back and take a look at the past videos, you'll be able to see how it got to this point. But I'll give you a quick recap. It said Iceman Collection wheels, MPC chassis chosen so I could have the pivoting wheels. The paint is, I believe, a mixture of different craft paints. It would be Createx, gold base, and then festive green mixed with a different, I think it's lime green, pearl lime green. And then the decals here are what we call judge-like stripes. My wife actually designed those and applied them here for me. And all that is under Duplicolor 3K clear.
You mean 1K clear?
So this is what I've been working on. It's been in the background of my videos for the last, since 2022. It's been in the background looking like it was done, but it's not quite done. It's still not done now. It's about 97% done. Most of it is the exhaust needs to be completed, and I have to complete a few things under the hood. But I did finally find a Pontiac engine. I threw together a few parts to make this motor complete-ish. And the Iceman Collections distributor and some Protec yellow distributor wires. I'm not finished under the hood. As I said, this car's about 97% done. Still needs a brake master cylinder, the radiator core, and radiator hoses. And then the underside, it needs the drive shaft and the exhaust completed. Once all that's done, this will be complete. And I do need to also raise up the rear end too. See, it's just a little bit too low. And you can see here the exhaust. I actually was looking through Facebook and saw Bob Jernigan doing his Pontiac, and I was inspired, so I asked him how he did his. So he's actually very nice. He showed me how he did what he did to his exhaust. I tried to implement it myself, but I wound up messing up, so I just went back to using using solder. And you might be wondering why this red thing is on here. I like to mock up my cars with the rubber bands, and this paint is a couple of years old, so it shouldn't really bother it, but to keep it from maybe possibly making a dent in the paint, I just put this in there to protect it from it. But that's about all I have for this right now. There should be hopefully a final video coming on this pretty soon. whereas it will actually be done as opposed to just sitting in the background on its wheels looking like it's done. I'm gonna give a shout out to my wife too. As you can see, these headlights here are clear. And if you remember this kit, it does not come with clear headlight lenses. My wife actually, I made a tinfoil casting of the lights, or tinfoil mold, I guess you call it, of the lights, like I did with the scum bum. And this time I didn't get bent up or anything. I wanted to look pretty decent since they're going in a shiny car. And she cast them, and they look like this. I'll probably show a better picture of it. And I went around the headlight bezels with some Molotow liquid chrome. So this is great for just brush painting onto the surface there. And you get, I could probably do a little better, but I think I got pretty good results for what I'm doing here. I don't, like I said, I don't build things to go to shows and win awards. I build them from my own heart. But that's all I have to update on this one. If you want to know more, just follow me on Facebook. It's just my name, Clifton Smith, or if you can find it, the KBCC Garage, also on Facebook as well. And you can see updates on this and other things that I'm building. But this one last part of the video I wanted to go over before
So we placed our first order with MCVProducts.net. Hey, what do you think, KB?
Well, Jesse, overall I have to say I'm very impressed with MCV Products. My order came very fast, and what I received, man, it's blowing my mind. Like, it's very clean, great stuff. Like everything I need to get what I need to get done right here in this package with me. So a big shout out to Mathew over at Model Car Videos and his daughter Ellie.
I have to agree with you, KB. The website was laid out beautifully. And these parts, ooh, man, are we going to have a good time.
You said it, Jesse.
Well, that's about all the time we have. Be sure to check the link in the description for MCVProducts.net and all the usual things you find in the description. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing to the KBCC Garage. See you next time.